Welcome back to Real Talk with Robert. I'm your host, Jessica, and joining me as always is Robert Lee from REMAX Success.
Hey Jessica, great to be here. This one's a biggie.
Today, we're diving into a topic that hits every homeowner eventually: deferred maintenance. You know, the little stuff we all put off until it becomes big stuff. So Robert, let's break it down. What exactly is deferred maintenance?
Great question. It's when repairs or upkeep get delayed, maybe life's busy, or it just doesn't seem urgent. But when small problems grow, they get expensive real quick.
Let's get practical. What are some things homeowners tend to ignore?
Leaky faucets, old HVAC filters, clogged gutters, those are the big culprits. And let's not forget water heaters. Flushing it once a year can extend its life a lot.
What about those issues that might hint at something more serious?
Yeah, cracks in walls, sticky windows or doors, sloping floors, those can mean foundation problems or structural shifts. You don't want to wait on those.
Let's talk money. Why should homeowners really care?
Because small fixes today are way cheaper than replacements tomorrow. And if you plan to sell, deferred maintenance shows up in inspections, and buyers will use that to negotiate.
So bottom line, stay on top of your home's health. Even a seasonal check-in can make a huge difference.
Exactly. And if you need a checklist or referrals for local pros, reach out. We've got your back.
That's it for this episode of Real Talk with Robert. Thanks for tuning in.
If you found this helpful, give it a like, share it with a homeowner friend, and we'll catch you on the next one.
Until next time, take care and take care of your home.